say. Being your own boss sounds like freedom, right? No one tells you what to do. You work when and where you want. It's a dream, isn't it? Well, yes, but there's the catch. What kind of boss are you to yourself? Just think about your self talk. That's not good enough. You should be working harder. You can't. Why you can't get this right? Are you really a good boss to yourself? If you want to be your better boss, you first need to build a loving self relationship. You have to love yourself, respect yourself, be mindful of your self talk, be kind to yourself, encourage yourself, and be your best friend, a cheerleader, a motivator. Take care of yourself because real freedom starts inside. Be the kind of boss you actually want to work for. So, would you hire yourself as your boss? Think about it.